Basically, you loosen these nuts here, and then there's some slotted holes in the bodywork, and you can slide the mount underneath the bodywork forward and back for your caster, or in and out for your camber. And I had to push the mount all the way forward, and it was hitting the bodywork here to get even near the caster number I was looking for. And that meant I couldn't push it inwards to get myself some negative camber. I'd have to give up caster to get camber, and it was just really frustrating. These are the Tarett Engineering Monoball camber plates, and they're made from billet aluminum. What this lets you do, it's got a bit of a smaller neck, and you can get this further forward in the car. Also, it has these offset mounting holes from side to side. They're a little bit inboard here, but I feel like I'm going to be able to get way easier to my caster number that I want, but give myself a bit of negative camber, probably 1 degree of negative camber with these mounts. So I'll take these old ones out and I'll install these new ones.